So the SBC Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has issued a tornado watch for parts of New York, Litchfield County, Connecticut, and parts of northern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The risk for tornadoes isn't that great, but anything that can possibly spin up will produce. The main threat are damaging winds in excess of 80 miles per hour, hail the size of baseballs, and heavy rain. These storms are moving pretty quickly and pose the greatest threat is damaging winds, but you can never take out the chance of an isolated tornado or 2 or 3 or 5 or 100. So yeah, there's too much shear in the atmosphere for there not to be a tornado watch. There's too much instability, all the parameters are coming together for an outbreak of severe weather. And when you have an outbreak of severe weather, there's always a chance of tornadoes. So the reason why they put the tornado watch up is because they have a feeling that some of these storms can actually rotate and produce tornadoes. Not all of them. The very few that will produce tornadoes will possibly be supercellular thunderstorms. So people who get under a tornado warning today, make sure you take your precautions, get underground, and don't take it too lightly, because these tornadoes are most likely going to be rain-wrapped, because rain-wrapped tornadoes in the Northeast are the most common type of tornado. Last year we saw the Springfield tornado, which wasn't rain-wrapped, but this time of the day, since there's so much moisture in the atmosphere, these storms will be producing heavy rain, and then the tornado will be most likely embedded in the rain-wrapped, so you will not be able to see it coming. So make sure you take your tornado precautions today. Even though the risk isn't that high for tornadoes, there is still a chance for tornadoes today. So be careful and pay attention to everything. Alright, thank you, and be safe.